Hey Mike, here's the springs and valves you were looking for this Phelps build. Those are Manley. Those are good to 600 lift. Should fix them up perfect.
Nice. Just finished his heads. I just kind of went through and cleaned up some of the rough edges on them and got rid of all the casting marks that'll cause the air to stop. You can see, especially on this one over here, it got so hot from running lean that it baked the enamel right off.
That's the important part of getting a proper tune on these bikes.
So the valve doesn't even look bent, but you can feel it. Actually, could feel it when I was lapping it back into the seat. I could feel it was just a little bit out of round, and that was probably just from heat. You can see the scoring marks.
Right.
So the nice thing about those Manleys, the Manley, is the stainless steel is real hard, good at withstanding temperature, and we're putting a 585 cam in this, so the 600 lift springs will be perfect.
Yeah, support that drop great.
And you don't want to do too much spring because then you're just adding extra tension on the valve train. That kind of tensioner is not a good tension. Yeah, and we're doing, did I show you the pistons and cylinders? The 110 kit from S&S, drop-in kit.
This kit's gonna start off as a 10.5 to 1 compression kit. S&S pistons, S&S jugs, and we're also putting a 30 thousandths Cometic gasket on here. Should get us up in the 10.7, 10.8 to 1 compression range. That with this S&S 585 cam should run really good.
I think so. Yeah. We upgraded the motor mounts, and we're doing the progressive touring link stabilizer on the back with these old 3-point motors. Sometimes they wobble in corners, and that was one of his complaints.
Yep. And around the primary side, he had a little bit of a chunked up compensator in there, so we went ahead and put a Evolution Industries compensator eliminator in this bike too. Factory gearing, we're not changing the gearing or anything with it, just factory, but eliminating the compensator from the equation in this bike. This guy's a pretty seasoned rider, so we don't have to worry about him lugging the motor or causing any damage from lugging, so he'll be on the pipe most of the time having fun with it. Cool. One additional benefit of these compensator eliminators are these take about 4.6 pounds off the crank, so that's rotating mass that's just taken out of the equation in the engine and transmission, and that just means more power to the ground, so it's a good little deal.
Yeah, and we'll couple that with a nice Donna tune and should get up and go.
Absolutely.